Today, we're checking out the Galaxy A05, a budget phone that has been out for 2 months now. It costs $130 and it has 3 cameras and a faster processor, unlike the A05. But some say the build isn't good enough. Let's see if this device is worth buying. Opening up the box of the Galaxy A05s, you find the basics. The phone itself, a USB-C cable for charging and connecting to your computer, and a user manual to help you get started. Now let's talk about how this device feels. The A05 is put together well, with sturdy plastic frames that can keep it durable without making it look too heavy. The back has a shiny finish that looks nice and adds a little bit of style. And no, it's not made of fancy materials, but for this price budget, I don't think you should be expecting that. One thing to note that it feels good in the hand, and overall, I think it's very, very sturdy. For the design, the Galaxy A05s looks simple. It's made mostly of plastic, which keeps it light and durable. On the right side, you find the volume and power buttons. The power button also works as a fingerprint scanner, so you can quickly unlock this phone quickly and securely. On the left side, there's a slot for your SIM card and memory card, giving you an extra storage when you need it. At the bottom, you see the speakers which deliver sound for your music and videos, and there's also a 3.5mm jack for your headphones. For the display, the Galaxy A05s comes with a 6.7 inches LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, unlike the A05 which has a 60Hz refresh rate. This makes the screen look incredibly smooth and responsive, whether you're scrolling through social media or playing your favorite game. The screen itself is an LCD panel with a U-shaped notch at the top for the camera. Plus, the resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels, which ensures that everything is clear and in HD. When it comes to outdoor visibility, the Galaxy A05s holds up well. The display is very visible under the sun, although it might not be as vibrant as high-end devices. For performance, this device comes with the Snapdragon 680 chipset, while the other version, the A05, has the Helio G85 chipset. Basically, the 680 is faster and more efficient, giving the A05s an edge in performance. According to Antutu, the A05s scored 305K, while the A05 got 206,000. So the A05s is a bit faster. And also, it can handle some serious gaming. In Call of Duty, you can raise the graphics settings to medium. As for PUBG, the A05s delivers very, very good. You can use medium graphics setting and medium frame rate. For the camera, on the back you get 3 cameras. The main camera is 50 megapixel, you get 2 megapixel macro, and you get 2 megapixel depth for effects. In good lighting, the A05s takes nice photos. They are clear with vibrant colors, but when it's dark, the quality goes down, and the pictures might not look good or sharp, they're a little grainy. Also, when you take videos, they might look a bit shaky because there's no stabilization. So if you're someone that moves around a lot or you get into action activities, this will be a letdown. The front camera comes with a 13 megapixel main camera. It does the job capturing selfies. You get clear shots with details. You can use it for video calls and Rex. One thing to note that the selfies would not turn heads. They are basic but good enough for the price point. For the battery, the A05s comes with a 5000 mAh battery. With everyday use, it can easily last a full day on a single charge, handling tasks like messages, streaming, gaming with ease. I tested the device gaming for at least 30 minutes straight, and the battery only dropped to 20%. For charging, you don't get a charging brick in the box, but this device supports 25 hours fast charging. You can go from 0 to 100 in an hour and 20 minutes. So whether you're gaming or working, charging with this device is really, really fast. Before I do my conclusion, as usual, pros and cons. Pro number 1, affordable price tag. For this price tag, I don't think you can get a better phone with a better display and chipset. This is a steal. Pro number 2, long life battery. I love the battery of this device. 5000 mAh, charges with a 25 watts brick, and it charges really fast and it's long lasting. Pro number 3, amazing chipsets. The Snapdragon 680 chipset, Antutu score of 305K. That's amazing for this price point. Pro number 4, software update. As usual, Samsung gives you 3 to 4 years software update, which is amazing. Most devices don't give this, so this is a big pro. Now let's talk about the cons. Con number 1, lack of video and image stabilization. I don't think Samsung should still be making phones without image stabilization. It's weird this year, especially. Con number 2, plastic build. I think the A05 has a better build than the A05s, and I think they did it intentionally to get people to buy it. But for a device that was almost perfect, having a good build would have made it would have put that word perfection. And my final con, the display. The display is amazing, amazing for the price point, but it's weird that the A05 has a better display than the A05s. And the A05s is supposed to be a better device, but Samsung, what do I know? Anyways, for my conclusion, is it value for your money? Is it a good device? I would say it's value for your money. It is a good device. For this price point, I don't think there are many devices that can give you this value. I think the Redmi has something similar. I think, who else? Techno has something similar, but the display isn't this good. But the chipset is good. So, will I tell people to buy this device? I would. Is it perfect? I don't know. But I think it's value for your money. So, tell me what you think about my review. Drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.